volunteers here this morning.
Hello, Ms. Donna Gentry, take a seat.
Ooh, thank you for volunteering.
Take a seat.
Hey, thank you for volunteering.
And, I thought I saw Paul Harris earlier.
What? No way! Rotary applause for Paul Harris. Come on. Susan, what are we going to play?
This is called What's Yours Like? We're going to put a word up on the screen. These guys cannot look. He's going to make sure there's no cheating. And then we'll ask contestants in the audience, what's yours like? And you describe what's up on the screen without giving it away. Okay, let's try it. Let's get the first word.
I'm trying to get Esther on the phone, not working.
Okay, Leslie, what's yours like?
Well, mine's kind of rusty and pointy.
Thank you.
Scott Greer.
Janet Black, what's yours like?
Mine is the wrong one for this type of weather.
Thank you.
One more.
Dennis Lewis, what's yours like?
Kind of shaped like a heart. Do we have any guesses?
Car.
No! Guesses!
What is Bob Trevor's house?
Not close at all. We need more hints. More
Kelly,
hints.
what's yours like?
With a lot of elbow grease, you can move a lot of dirt.
Tractor, forklift.
A shovel?
Oh, we got a shovel!
All right.
We have another word.
Next one.
What's yours like?
Okay, Terry, what's yours like?
Well, I was wishing I had the old kind because then I could have gone tobogganing.
Thank you. Okay, how about Olivia? What's yours like?
Really full right now?
Thank you. Okay, Ron Moyce, what's yours like?
Dirty with spaghetti running down the inside.
Thank you.
Guesses?
Garbage can.
Oh my God! Do we have one more word?
Okay, Grant, what is yours like?
No one really knows, so don't say anything.
Larry Tennant, what is yours like?
How do I describe a profession?
A profession. Thank you.
One more hit, one more hit.
Okay, Jack, what's yours like?
Like something that I need to get.
Any guesses?
Funeral policy, coffin.
Any guesses?
Any guesses?
We need more hints.
What is the job?
Oh my God! Will you please give our amazing contestants a huge round of applause? But not only do we know who is the winner this morning, do you remember all the incredible acts that we had? Some of them I know you would like to forget. From the fabulous Iron Man, to John's Balls, to the Dancing Young Bros. Starting with the fabulous Iron Man, please give me some applause if you think they should win. Amazing exchange students! Oh, Iron Man got edged out just a little. Come on, everybody, some love for John's Balls.
As it should be.
The name for any, whatever that was. We have the one to beat, Dr. Mark Warner and the Warner Brothers. Oh, it doesn't register. There it is. Come on for those dancing young pros. Oh, we might have a tie. What about what's yours like? I think we have a tie, so we're going to have to do a cheer-off for the Name for Any Whatever and the Dancing Young Pros, starting with the Name for Any Whatever. One more time. guys. Give them one more hand. El Presidente, I've always wanted to do this. May I?
You may.
Thank you all for attending. There are prizes for all of the contestants with Susan at the door. We love you.
Yay, thank you.